Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel SaaS Scale Up, where I'm sharing tutorials and video about how to develop profitable SaaS app. And today I'm gonna reveal to you how to create login and sign up page with PHP, very fast and very simple. I'm sure you guys find yourself try to create your own login and sign up page with PHP. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest, it's hard, it's not simple, and usually most of us not gonna do it very well. But lucky we have Laravel PHP framework, and this is what you can create in like 1 minute or less. Okay, you have like a login page, you're gonna have a sign up page, you have forget your password page, and you have beautiful design with Tailwind CSS. You have all the feature built in and just waiting for you to basically run the command and create this boilerplate that is ready for you. And in this video today, I'm gonna show you how you can do it by yourself and basically have like a starter kit and start developing your SaaS system or your app instead of developing a feature that it's already been developed for you. Why wasting your time? As you can see here also, there is like the register page. It's come built in already with validation, okay? Like everything is ready for you. You don't need to develop it. You don't need to focus on um, the skeleton of your app, okay? It's come already pre-made for you. What you need to be focused on is developing your app and make money very fast. That's it. And there you go. What a beautiful dashboard that we made in a split of second. And if you guys have not done it yet, please subscribe and support your friend because I'm gonna release a lot of video for you. Okay. So next step for us is basically reveal how we can create this beautiful skeleton of login and sign up page. And here are the steps we're gonna follow. Okay, take a screenshot and let's start. So the first step, as you know, is basically to have a fresh Laravel installation. If you didn't have the chance to watch my YouTube about how to install Laravel 9 on your Mac or on your computer, please go and visit the YouTube, and you will see in like few comments how you can have like running a Laravel application on your local computer. So this is basically the first step. I revealed there how you can do it. Very easy, very straightforward. Go, share it with your friend if you want. Watch it, it's like 9 minutes, that's it, and bam, you have Laravel installation. So as you can see, this is our fresh Laravel installation. There is no login or register, and this is what we're gonna do in this video. So what you wanna do, you wanna basically search on Google Laravel starter kit. Okay, and basically there are few of them. What we're gonna use Laravel Breeze. Okay, it's very like exactly what you need in order to have like authentication on your system. There is other one that are more not complicated, but are more progress. Okay, we're gonna use Laravel Breeze, and maybe later in another video I'm gonna show you and reveal you the other one. The one that you can use also the one with the Vue or React or Next.js, also already like pre-made for you. All the installation is configured for you, so you don't need to do it by yourself. And visit Laravel Jetstream. This is what I use for my project. It's amazing. It gives you like more than just sign up and log in. It's giving you API token. It's giving you like a lot of other feature that you can use in order to have your SaaS again ready for you, and you can focus on actually building your SaaS. This is what Laravel doing instead of like building all the other stuff that it's already done for you. You just need to focus on your SaaS. So we're gonna run the first command. We're gonna install Laravel Breeze Composer. If you guys didn't install it, you can again watch the video I did in the install Laravel on Mac computer, and I revealed how to do it. Next, we're gonna install the Breeze itself with PHP Artisan. Now we're gonna run the npm install. npm it's a package management of Node.js. Okay, next we're gonna run npm run dev to prepare our JavaScript and CSS file and compress them to one or two file. And basically now we're done, but I'm not gonna go and show you the web page. What we need to do before, we need to actually set the database and the PHP artisan migration to prepare all the table. So I'm gonna config now MySQL and database connection. Basically, I'm gonna open the env file on Visual Studio, and this is the parameter that we wanna change, we wanna set. Okay, so in my local Mac, I'm using dbgin, okay, or dbengine. I don't know exactly how to say that. We're gonna create MySQL database. You can create Redis and also Postgres database. And I also using tableplus. And basically I'm gonna create now the database, the virtual one inside the database that we just created. And I'm gonna connect to it. And now we have MySQL database. At the moment it's empty because we didn't run the PHP artisan migrate command. I'm just gonna update the database table, name. The username and the password are the default root and space or empty. Okay, let's run the PHP artisan migrate and create the Laravel Breeze tables, the one that's coming with the installation. And bam, you have all the table. You don't need to do it by yourself. You don't need to create them by yourself. It's already pre-made for you. You can just like view them and learn from them and focus on your SaaS. So this is the user table. As you can see, everything is empty. And as you can see, we don't have the register and login. And now after I refresh, we have the register and login skeleton. Okay, now let's create user, but before I'm gonna create a user, I wanna config SMTP server in order to show you that we can use also the forget password feature. It's also coming with the skeleton, so you don't need to build all of those stuff from zero. Like, why wasting your time on stuff that's already made for you? Just focus on creating your app, make it, push it to production, and start to bring client and make money. Okay, so I'm using Mailtrap just for the example. It's a service that help you to set the SMTP server. Instead of like sending email to a real email, you can send it to the virtual inbox. I'm gonna change the variable in my environment file. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back and try to basically do the register. I'm just changing a few stuff, so you're gonna see that on the email itself, how it's revealed. Laravel also coming with a predefined email template that is ready for you, so you don't need even to create the email. Think about how many hours you're saving by using something that's already ready for you. Okay, let's create the user again. And that's it, guys. You have dashboard with login, logout. Please subscribe to continue supporting amazing video for you. And now we're gonna try the login option, but what I'm gonna do the forget your password to show you that it's actually working. As you can see, the validation tell me that it's not working, so I need to update my password or reset my password. So this feature, it's again built for you. You don't need to develop it by yourself. And bam, you have we getting the email. And look how beautiful, you already have the title and everything made for you. You just need to click the reset password button. And we're gonna have the link to our app. We're gonna update our password. And that's it. It's done. Very simple. Now I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna use also remember me feature. It's also coming together with the skeleton. And this is our dashboard. Now you can actually focus on develop your app, make it profitable. Okay, focus on the good stuff, on the real stuff, and not on the stuff that like it's already made for you, you know? That's it, guys. I'm gonna go now to the table to show you that actually the user table is populated with the user we created. You have all the predefined column there, password, email, name, created date, stuff like that. You have other password reset, sorry, other table password reset. You have also like a API token table that you can use in the future. Um, and this is how it looks. I hope you guys love it. This is the step that you need to follow in order to install the skeleton, the sign up and login page. Please subscribe and feel free to share it with your friend. Love you.